Hey everyone, welcome back to CarVibes, your home for fresh updates, reviews, and deep dives into everything that moves on four wheels. If you're passionate about cars that blend history with innovation, today's episode is for you. We're diving into the all-new 2026 Citroën 2CV, a reboot of a French icon that once defined simplicity, charm, and utility. But now, it's been reimagined for a whole new generation. Let's get into it. So, picture this, it's post-war Europe in the late 1940s, and Citroën releases a small, quirky car that looks nothing like anything else on the road. The original 2CV was made to transport farmers across muddy fields, handle rough roads, and be so simple that you could fix it with a wrench and some wire. Fast forward nearly 80 years, and the 2CV is back. But this time, it's electric, sleek, and surprisingly modern. The 2026 Citroën 2CV doesn't try to hide its heritage. Its silhouette is instantly recognizable, that rounded roofline, the flared fenders, and those charming retro touches like circular LED headlights that echo the original's face. But don't be fooled. This isn't a nostalgia-only package. Citroën has carefully balanced retro styling with sharp, futuristic design elements that give the 2CV a bold new personality. Underneath that classic exterior lies a modern electric powertrain. The new 2CV comes with a single-motor front-wheel drive setup producing about 120 horsepower, modest on paper, but more than enough for urban driving and even weekend getaways. Citroën promises a range of around 250 miles on a full charge, thanks to a lightweight design and a 45 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Fast charging support is there too, so you can get from 20 to 80% in about 30 minutes. But let's talk about the experience behind the wheel. The 2CV was never meant to be a performance car, and the 2026 version respects that. Instead, it focuses on comfort, simplicity, and fun. The suspension is tuned to soak up city bumps and uneven country roads, staying true to the original's famously soft ride. Inside, Citroën has gone minimalist, but not in the boring, sterile way. Think fabric straps for door handles, a single-strip digital display, and plenty of recycled materials throughout the cabin. The dashboard layout is intentionally simple, but it's packed with tech where it counts. There's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice controls, and even a basic driver assist system that includes adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. But the best part? The roof. Just like the classic 2CV, the 2026 model features a full-length retractable fabric roof that gives you that open-air freedom. Perfect for a summer drive down a country road. Now, who is this car really for? Citroën is aiming it at urban drivers, young professionals, and retro design lovers. It's not trying to be a Tesla, a Polestar, or anything flashy. It's trying to be accessible, cool in a low-key way, and most importantly, fun. The estimated starting price will be around €23,000 in Europe, making it one of the most affordable EVs in its class. What really stands out about the new 2CV is how it respects its roots without being stuck in the past. It brings back the spirit of the original, a car that was made for the people, but updates it with today's priorities, sustainability, efficiency, and clever design. It's not overloaded with screens or overwhelmed by horsepower. It's confident in what it is, a charming, modern EV with a huge heart and a legendary name. So, is the 2026 Citroën 2CV the EV we didn't know we needed? Maybe. In a market full of oversized SUVs and tech-heavy machines, this little car offers something refreshingly simple and emotional. It's the kind of car that makes you smile. Not because it's fast, but because it reminds you why you fell in love with driving in the first place. That's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed the vibe, drop us a like and hit that subscribe button for more car stories that mix the past and the future. This is CarVibes, where machines meet meaning. See you in the next one.